Alright, here's a 52-inch unknown Hampton base ceiling fan here. And the master bedroom here at a friend's house in Bowling Green. Hampton Bay. Oops. I guess the string's broken. Right. That's the light, that's the fan. Alright, I'll turn the fan on. High, medium, low. What am I doing? Save it. There we go. Gotta try to make this video quick. There's the top of it. These got LED clear blue white lights, whatever the color they are, but they're really nice. That's low. There's medium. Gotta be careful. That's medium. Now I'm gonna turn it to okay, don't want to break it. Oh, that feels good. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. I don't want to break it. I don't want to get in trouble, so I'm gonna turn it off. There's medium again. Alright, turn the fan off now. And then back to low. Just gonna. That's the light. And that's the fan. Alright. And there you go. There's a 52-inch gray unknown Hampton base ceiling fan. Hope you all enjoyed. That's it.